Today we are at ProVia's Booneville facility where we manufacture our siding. And today we're here with Johnny Palmer.
Hey there.
And he's going to show us a little bit about the process. Johnny, can you tell us a little bit about what you do here?
I'm supervisor on first shift, mainly just run siding.
All right, cool. What's happening behind us?
This is part of our lamination. We run it the day before. We bring it over here and then we'll set it up, put the foam on there for the weather and backing to be insulated.
Piece comes through, there's a glue machine down there. Got the black light where we can see the glue on the board. We take this piece of vinyl and stick it to the foam. It goes through a compression roller and it presses it on the foam to insulate. It makes it easier for people who want a more insulated house.
Yeah.
Cost efficient.
Yeah. So if you line this up here, it kind of just aligns it the rest of the way when it goes through.
It
right?
does.
Easy squeezy.
It is.
Okay, so now the siding and the foam are together. So what are you looking for in this stage?
I'm looking for anything that's on the surface that you can see, any knots or any scrapes and scratches that might be on the surface. And also make sure the glue's not coming all the way to the end. And if the foam is too long, I have to make a cut so when they put the siding together, it goes together.
Okay, I was going to ask about that. I've seen you cutting all this foam in here. So.
Yes.
All right, so you are the last step in the CedarMAX siding process.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
what do you do here?
Well, I put my box on, staple it, I put 650 to a box, and I send it through there.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
I guess we'll stand back and watch you do your job.
All right.
Well, thank you for your dedication and your attention to detail for this to make sure this is perfect.
You're welcome.
Thank you.